What makes Nutrilite the world's leading brand of vitamin, mineral, and dietary supplements? It's in our nature. Nutrilite is the only global vitamin and mineral brand to grow, harvest, and process plants on our own certified organic farms. Our scientists, technicians, and engineers from 20 different fields of study work continuously to develop new formulations, new products, and new processing methods. And here's where it all begins. Our Lakeview Agricultural Research Center is the hub of our farming operations. Here, Nutrilite research scientists are constantly looking for new plants, researching techniques to improve their growth, and developing the processes necessary to extract their nutrients.
We set the farming standards and practices that are then utilized at all of our farms around the world. Our farms in Brazil, Mexico, and Washington State practice synthetic pesticide-free, organic, sustainable farming methods. Because of increased demand for Nutrilite branded supplements, we contract with other farms to supply some botanical materials. But we make sure these farms adhere to our organic farming philosophy, guided by sustainable, organic principles. And we have established the NutriCert program to certify our suppliers.
All plants are harvested and dehydrated quickly at the various farms to ensure maximum potency, and are then shipped back to Lakeview for pasteurization and extraction, ensuring that this raw material meets the Nutrilite brand's precise standards for quality, safety, and efficacy. The raw materials are then shipped to Buena Park, California, where accurate weigh-up and blending occurs. Tablet shape is determined, and up to 8,000 tablets per minute are compressed by using 4 to 8 tons of pressure.
To ensure our tablets are easy to swallow, we use a special coating. The equipment you see here can coat and dry up to 1 million tablets in an hour.
Tablets are then tested and inspected for quality and effectiveness.
We want to make sure you get the most out of our products. That's why we conduct various tests to ensure that our tablets can be absorbed by your body in the time it takes for them to pass through your system.
Our packaging process uses state-of-the-art equipment, and shipping occurs immediately after production to ensure absolute freshness.
The tablets stored here in our environmentally controlled warehouse have been tested over 500 times, helping to guarantee that you will always receive a fresh, effective product.
From seed to product to personalized health. Let Nutrilite be a part of your life and help lead you on your path to optimal health.